Good afternoon and welcome back to the Courtroom Chronicles Trials of South Africa. I'm only realizing now that I didn't wish anyone a happy birthday. We do this here on Courtroom Chronicles. It's what makes us unique. And happy birthday to you, Mdase. If you're celebrating it the past weekend as well, happy birthday to you. So let us get into today's business. This is the second video, ne? Yeah, I promised you a second video. So here we are. So this is an update on Vusimuzi Cat Matlala's appearance today in court. Today's courtroom drama intensifies. It has all convictions, false identities, hidden trails, and claims of planted evidence. So let's unpack everything that played out in court today according to verified sources. So Matlala's brushes with the law go back to 2 decades. According to IOL, he was convicted in 2001 for housebreaking with intent to steal and theft. And since then, he's been arrested multiple times on charges including attempted murder and illegal firearm possession. So the state is using this track record to argue he's no ordinary businessman. So in October 2023, actress and podcaster Tebogo Thobejane was shot in the foot in a hail of bullets while driving in the N1 near Sandton, according to TimesLIVE and IOL. So her friend was severely injured with a spinal injury. So the state alleges that Matlala orchestrated the hit. He maintains the opposite. He says that Tebogo came to him seeking protection. So in December 2024, police carried out an urgent warranties raid on Matlala's home, acting on intelligence that a kidnapping victim might be inside his home. They confiscated 5 firearms, 5 mobile cell phones which were returned in December 12, 2024 after compliance measures. So Matlala claimed that he destroyed both his and his wife's phones. So the evidence from those devices now that were taken is staggering. So investigators say they retrieved 289 WhatsApp messages from the wife. Now that's Matlala's wife, and 386 WhatsApp messages, pages from Matlala's own phone, all dating back to December 11th, 2024. So these chats reportedly include Matlala using a false Eswatini identity document under the surname Dlamini. That we know Vusimuzi Cat Matlala, but they say in Eswatini on that ID his surname is Dlamini, requesting the ID from his wife and messaging his lawyer while hiding. The state argues that the consistency of the timestamps and content cross devices makes planting data impossible. Matlala, however, insists that the police tampered with his phones to thwart his bail bid. So after the piecing of the puzzles and all his travel records, Home Affairs says that it shows that he crossed Oosthoek border on foot 3 times in 2024. Remember, we also learned that he has a private jet, but we're also learning again that when it needs be, he uses his foot, he walks. So he departed on February the 11th, returning February the 12th, and departing again April 19th, but there's no record of him returning his last trip. The prosecution argues this brief, undocumented exit point to evasive behavior. They've said the same thing about the private jets, that he has left the country 7 times with the private jets, but there are records of him going and some not coming back into the country. So the two sharply opposed stories emerge in court again. The state narrative says Matlala is a career criminal who uses false identities and wipes evidence to mislead investigators. Matlala's version is he's being framed, phones were tampered with, and Tebogo actually sought his help. So it's a lot. if if you ask me, I'm saying we are yet to discover more things, and this is a very interesting case. So the bail application hearing has now been postponed, with the judgment scheduled for September 17, 2025 at the Alexandra Magistrates Court. The court date will determine whether he walks for free and he remains in custody. So with high profile allegations and detailed digital trials like trails, this case has become far more than simple bail hearing. So we are hearing a lot of things. Remember also on the 17th of October, they said they are going to centralize everything. So we are going to hear on the 17th of September if he gets bail or not. And yeah, I don't know. What do you think on the comment section? His name has been mentioned in different places a lot of times. I'm even confused. Yeah, so with that being said, until next time, God bless you. Keep on subscribing, liking, hitting that notification button, sharing the videos. It helps the channel a lot, especially watching from the beginning until the end. Don't forget, the next date is the 17th of September 2025. And a lot of things have been said by people. Some are saying he will get bail. The evidence is actually baseless, as he says. All of this is hearsay. It is not something that is legit or something that they can actually use. What do you think? Are these allegations baseless, as he says? Does the state not have enough evidence against him? And all these digital trail that we're being told about, that these things were on his farm, do you actually think this was planted? And if you think these things were planted, why do you think is the reason? What do you think is the reason for them planting all these things? So with that being said, see you on the next one, and God bless you. Ciao.